Mathematics meets nature and result is a magic. Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome to Mishkat, another podcast by Islamabad Model College of Girls Postgraduate F72. I am your host Sayyida Reha Fatma from second year. Today we will explore the incredible connection between the mathematics and the natural world. For this, meet with our guest Al-Mishkat, Reis, a Deputy Discipline Secretary and a mathematics lover. Welcome Al-Mishkat to our podcast on mathematics in nature.
Thank you so much, Reha, for having me in this podcast. Maths is not up to books. It helps us to understand the world all around us.
Yes, every student has a question about it. Where is the maths used? We can only solve complex equations, analyze shapes. What's the reason behind it? Al-Mishkat, give us an example that pays the use of mathematics all around us.
So the simplest example for this is Fibonacci sequence. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, up to so on. Means every number is the sum of preceding two numbers. This sequence is observed in leaves. Spiral pattern of leaves makes this sequence, and every leaf is separated by an angle of 135.7 degree. This concept appears in many other objects like branches of trees, flowers petal, shell of snail, etc.
Al-Mishkat, can you tell us that why this arrangement is beneficial?
Spiral arrangement of leaves on stem allow for maximum exposure to sunlight, efficient use of water, nutrients, etc.
Wow, nice.
Let us consider one more example of maths and nature. Snowflakes. Snowflakes have six-fold symmetry, which is also a mathematical concept. Arrangement of their branches and pattern follows a hexagonal structure with 120-degree angle between each branch.
Al-Mishkat, this is all about geometrical mathematics. What about others?
Okay, let us consider conic section. Have you ever observed a ball thrown from one point to another? It makes a parabola. It means it contains a quadratic equation. And this is helpful for further study on object in physics as projectile motion.
Al-Mishkat, we have listened that mathematics is a language. How?
Basically, Reha, maths is used to explain many words that can't be explained by any other language. Or we can say that it is a proof of one sentence.
Al-Mishkat, can you explain it more to us?
Okay, you know about Einstein's theory of relativity?
Yes.
It's totally based on Einstein's thought. At that point, we can say that math is used to prove the thinking, therefore research in other sciences.
Oh yes, that's why you can say that mathematics is a language, because it gives the authentic reason of asking. Or we can also say that it's a language of science.
Also, I would like to add up, a mathematician is a good decision maker, lives his useful life by his logical thinking, has communication skills, means to say that this field not only gives us job, but is also useful for our whole life.
Thanks Al-Mishkat for giving us great knowledge on the mathematics and inspiring us in that.
You're welcome.
So thanks to all of you for joining us on the journey through the world of mathematics. Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook and subscribe our YouTube channel. Stay curious, we'll see you next time. Allah Hafiz.